Hi everyone, my name is Ranbir and I am a law student and I have just completed the speed reading course under Mr. Saud Mansoor. Earlier, before doing the course, I was facing certain issues, both as a reader and as a law student. I was not able to read certain complex articles and used to feel tired even approaching complex topics that were new for me to start, such as economics. Other and that, as my legal syllabus is increasing, I was having difficulty going deep into the legal language, into the legal literature, and the delicate parts and the complex parts of the case laws and the legal literature. And I was also not able to retain enough and was very prone to lose focus during reading. But after doing the course, I'm already feeling the significant change. I felt my interest in reading grow. Along with that, now I'm able to go deeper into the legal language and my legal literature. Along with that, my speed has increased. My ability to focus on what I'm reading has increased. In the morning only, I finished four complex articles on the present political situation that has arisen in the international arena due to the COVID 19. Just 20 days ago, I would have opened those articles and simply left them after a while, just reading a few lines. Along with that, I have learned various techniques and concepts in the course that go beyond the book you are reading or the subject you are studying. They will helping lay a good solid foundation for your professional life because I'm already feeling it as my professional life is going to start soon. So, whether you are a person who simply enjoys reading books, or you are a professional, or you are someone who is working in the corporate life and wants to move up the ladder, or anyone who's in government service, or a student, I cannot recommend his course highly enough. It is worth more than just a try. It's a wonderful course that is taught by an awesome teacher. That is Mr. Saud Mansoor. So, I would highly recommend the speed reading course to everyone. So, once again, a big thanks to Mr. Saud Mansoor.